Merry Christmas to you and yours, my friend. We made it. Oh my God, 2020 has been a tumultuous year. But thanks be to God, we made it through. Definitely one of the years that will go down in history as one of the most eventful, with all the calamities and diseases that transpired during this year. And so I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm just giving God thanks for taking me and my family through unscathed. And many of you too. Yes, we have had some challenges. Some of us, yes, endured illness and some friends who lost loved ones. But we are here. And so we're thankful. I am thankful. And I know you are too. And so while we celebrate Christmas, I want us to do so with a heart of gratitude like never before. You know, to be really and truly thankful. But while we're celebrating and eating and drinking and having a good dinner, the truth is that there are many out there who are unable to do so. Many who are unloved. Many who doesn't have the resources that we enjoy. And so I'm asking us, I'm challenging myself and I'm challenging you to reach out to those persons. It's not too late. It's never too late to be kind. Do something. Something tangible is always ideal. But if not, especially with these COVID times, you know, reach out to somebody via the phone and just share some real good love and share some good memories and just help to lift their spirits, you know. Kind of truly, that's what Christmas is and should be about, you know. So do that. Let's not forget the lowly, the meek. Indeed, those were the persons who Christ came for. So enjoy your Christmas. All the best to you and yours for the remainder of the year. And here's to a fantastic, a wonderful 2021. Merry Christmas, my friend.